Step into a world of culinary delight with our keto chicken and beet spaghetti recipe. This carefully crafted dish is designed to cater to your dietary needs while tantalizing your taste buds. The combination of tender chicken, roasted beets, and spaghetti noodles creates a harmonious blend of textures and flavors that will leave you craving for more. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees and prepare a baking sheet. Place the beetroot wedges on a square piece of tin foil measuring 30 centimeters. Add garlic. Season the mixture and 1 tablespoon of oil. Then fold the foil into a packet, ensuring it's sealed. Put the foil packet on the baking sheet and place it in the oven. Allow it to bake for approximately 45 minutes or until the beetroot wedges become tender. Meanwhile, wrap the chicken in another 30 cm square of foil. Add lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of oil to the chicken. Bake the chicken in the oven for the last 25 minutes of the beetroot's cooking time or until the chicken is thoroughly cooked with no pink flesh visible. Boil a large pot of salted water and cook the Konjac pasta according to the instructions on the package. While the pasta is cooking, place garlic cloves in a food processor along with half of the roasted beets, walnuts, parmesan, parsley, and the remaining oil. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to the mixture and blend it until it becomes a smooth puree. Drain the cooked spaghetti and toss it with the remaining roasted beets, goat cheese, sliced chicken, and a small amount of chicken juice. Serve the prepared dish on plates and drizzle it with the beetroot pesto. If desired, you can sprinkle additional parsley on top. With this keto spaghetti recipe, you can enjoy a culinary masterpiece that combines the best of low-carb, gluten-free, and easy-to-make goodness. Keto chicken and beet spaghetti testify that healthy eating can be delicious and visually stunning. Try this easy keto meal today and savor a delightful culinary journey without compromising your dietary goals. Happy cooking!